Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic CorelCAD tutorial how to create region. So for example, I will draw rectangle, and if you want to change this CAD into region, you can click at this icon region, and then you can select the object and you can press enter. So it will be automatically create one region. To view the region, you can change the visual style. Go to view menu, click at this option, and I will set into flat with edge. So to be set into region. I will draw again, like in here, I will create with polyline command. I will create a simple sketch like this. And to convert into region, you can type a region, press enter, select the object, and enter again. Okay, that's it for basic CorelCAD tutorial, how to create region. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.